Hey, ever wanted to bypass lockdown browser? Open a ChatGPT tab during your exam and look for the answers? Well, do I have something for you. Exam Plus. This app actually has a variety of features, like access to Google mid-exam, access to notes mid-exam. That includes whatever notes, PDFs, lectures, or tutors you have. Access to apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Facebook, and so on. Ability to take and send screenshots of your exam questions. And last but not least, the ability to screen share during your exam. Okay, so I'll join the official Exam Plus Discord server shown on the video right here. So first of all, we're gonna go to the verification channel and click the verify link. This here will give you the rules to access the other channels. Over here, you can also see a vouch channel where official buyers of Exam Plus talk about the legitimacy of the app and how it helped them. So they've been undetected on lockdown browsers since 2023, although this only works for Windows. So if you have a Mac device, you can either rent a Windows laptop, or you could even buy one, take your exams with this tool, and then return it after your exams. The cost for Exam Plus is $200 for 30 days, and you can take as many exams, quizzes, and as many homework assignments as you can pack into those 30 days. Alright, so now I'm gonna create a ticket aiming to buy the Exam Plus software. And here we have the different payment methods. We've got Venmo, Zelle, Wise, Revolut, e-transfer if you're Canadian, and also any cryptocurrency. But if you're from countries with special exceptions like the UAE, for example, they can also help with credit card payments. Almost immediately, I'm greeted by a fellow staff member. For payment method, I guess I'll choose Venmo. He responds very quickly and sends me the QR code to send the money to. He reassures me to let him know whenever I've sent him the money so he can guide me through the installation process. Or if you want a more straightforward method to purchasing Exam Plus, you can do so through their website. Although the only acceptable payment method as of right now is Bitcoin. First thing you gotta do after downloading Exam Plus through the link you've been given is you have to turn off virus and threat protection. You can go to virus and threat protection by typing it in the search bar right here. Then you go all the way down to virus and threat protection, and you pretty much just turn everything off. After that, you can finally run the Exam Plus setup. After it's done downloading, you want to make sure you exclude the app from your virus protection. This only means that you're preventing Windows from falsely identifying the Exam Plus file as a virus, and it stops Windows from just auto-deleting it. After that, the rest is pretty simple. You want to launch the app right here, copy and paste your license key, and finally log in. So as you can see, here's the app, a very clean and almost futuristic UI over here. And in terms of how you use the app, you just launch Exam Plus right here, and then after that, you're gonna wait for the loading notification to pop up, and then once you get the success notification, that's when you know you're ready. You can go into any exam and you'll have access to pretty much everything on your desktop. And as you can see, here I am in the lockdown browser exam. I can very simply just Alt-Tab my way out of the exam, look up the answer using Chegg, Google, ChatGPT, or honestly whatever, tab back into the exam, and enter in the answer. I honestly only wish I found out about Exam Plus sooner. And on top of everything Exam Plus has to offer, you'd be glad to know that they also offer tutoring classes and things of that sort for majors such as biology, chemistry, maths, physics, arts, writing, computer science or coding, and it can also help in IT certifications, real estate, insurance, nursing, and IELTS or TOEFL exams. If you need any help with any subject, you can just talk to them on Telegram or WhatsApp. So yeah, buy Exam Plus. Or don't, but you'll fail your exams.